Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So there are multiple methods to solve quadratic equation. By doing factorization, we can use quadratic formula or completing the square method. So I'm going to use factorization method, and if you want the question with other method, you can comment down. I will make a separate video on that as well. So we can write x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0, 5x as 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now from first two term, I can take x as common, so x plus 2. And if I'll take 3 as common, x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now x plus 2 is common, so x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now these are the two factors. To find out the solution, put the factor is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 2. And if x plus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.